Sometimes people step on some insects like cockroaches on floor, which is not certain whether this has came out of washroom or it's already was in the living room, and there is wastes from it, like in noticeable amount. So is it something considered as najas? Because on the floor people might pray also, but not directly over it, like near it. So is it something najas or not?
Roaches, the vast majority of scholars say that are najis, and killing them and whatever comes from their bodies is najis. And the looks of it is najis by itself. So who in his right mind would kill a cockroach, seeing its guts spilled, whether the blood is white or colorless, or I don't know, I'm not gonna ask you to taste it. Ugh. But who in his right mind would pray or leave this as if it's nothing? Roaches live in sewers, so definitely the vast majority say they're najis, you have to clean this and remove this. Other insects, smaller insects, are different. Flies, mosquitoes, bugs, and the likes, they are not considered to be najis, and Allah knows best.